Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. This morning in class my students got talking about social media and in particular about one of the more negative sides of social media. One of the ways in which maybe social media brings out the worst in people. They started talking about a blog post that they'd seen recently which had been attracting a lot of clicks. A lot of people had been clicking the link to go to the blog post and see what it was all about. And the reason that it had attracted so much attention and attracted so many clicks was because it was slagging off a well-known person in a particular field. If you slag off someone, or if you slag a person off, you criticise them in quite a harsh and unpleasant way. And obviously, one way of getting attention in lots of different kinds of fields these days is to slag off someone ideally better known than you are, and that way you can present yourself as a brave person taking down someone bigger than you, and lots of other people get sucked into the drama that's created in this way. If you have a friend who's a bit two-faced, they're nice to your face and then not so nice when they're not with you, you might say that you get sick of them slagging people off behind their backs. Or maybe when you go to the pub after work with your colleagues, you all get busy slagging off the boss and slagging off the company you work with. If you've enjoyed this video, please click like, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel. And in the comments section, we'd love to hear examples of people or things that you've heard getting slagged off, being slagged off.